Welcome to the first lecture of Database Management System. In this lecture we will see what do you understand by data, databases and database management system. We'll also have a short introduction to different types of databases. So what do you understand by data? Data could be any fact that can be recorded. Data can be name, it can be a number, it can be images, it can be videos like the one you are watching, or it could also be speech. So basically it is any fact that can be recorded. The next term, what do you understand by database? From data, we are going to define database. So database is a collection of data. So when I say collection of data, it can be collection of text or collection of numbers or collection of images or collection of all. So basically, database is a collection of related data items. The next term, what is database management system? If we want to construct a simple database like storing information about a student, then we have to define the structure of the database. For example, to store name of a student, the data type must be string of not more than 30 characters. Once such structure is defined, it has to be constructed using some software programs, and in future must also be possible to manipulate the database. So basically what we have to do is we have to define the structure, then construct it, and then in future it should be possible to manipulate it. So basically a set of programs that will be used to define, construct and manipulate a database is called as a database management system. So from data we derive database, and from database we define what is database management system. So we have seen what is data, what is database, and what is database management system. A quick revision. So data is nothing but it could be any fact that can be recorded. Databases is a collection of related data items. Database management system is a set of programs that will be used to define, construct and manipulate a database. We move to a new topic, that is different types of databases. The first type and the traditional database is a database that stores textual or numeric information. Example is a university database that will store information about the students, personal information about the students and the academic information about the student. The next type of database is the multimedia database. This type of databases will store images, audios and videos, just like the one you have access to, that is YouTube. And the last type of database is GIS, also called as Geographic Information System. Nowadays we have GIS system. It is a database that will take images of Earth via satellite and send back the images for some kind of prediction. Okay, so basically it will be some kind of maps which will be analyzed for weather data. Okay, so these types of databases are usually used by NASA. Thank you.